Hi everybody, it's John and Josh from Drones and Planes, and today we're at Stansted. Not sure if there's going to be any action, but we're here. Beautiful day, so just sit back and enjoy the show. What's coming up next, Josh?
Music!
Here we go!
PT Five Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
And there we have an aircraft of a different type. I think that is an Airbus Magpie 100. There she goes. Zooming along.
Who put this giant thing in there?
I don't know, Josh. So I think we've got a Ryanair that's just about to do a circuit here. Couldn't seem to have any destination on the on flight radar. So let's watch and see what happens. It's pretty quick at getting off the runway mark there, so here we go. Guess we'll see how light it is by the time we rotate. Right, so if this bank's left, it's on a circuit. If it banks right, then it's going somewhere. I'm not going to look at flight radar, let's have a think. So which way is she going to go? Left or right?
Left or right?
Which way do you think, Joshy?
I think right.
Ah, going left, you see, so it's going for a circuit. So this is a Wizz Air that's on final approach at the moment, just from Luton. Must be doing a repositioning flight or something. I wasn't actually aware that Wizz Airs came into Stansted, but I'll stand corrected once this one's landed. There she comes, about to touch down behind the fence. Yes, Joshie.
Want to look at my hand?
Hang on.
Look.
Wait a minute.
That's quite a cool plane.
Isn't it?
Look.
And then we have a Wizz Air at Stansted, which I'll say, I think, don't know if that's normal or not, really.
Dad.
And now we've got an Easyjet on final approach,
Yeah.
which Josh is excited about for some reason.
Everybody.
Hello, Joshie.
Easyjet. Dad, I've never seen that before.
I haven't seen an Easyjet for a while, have we?
Haven't seen an Easyjet for ages at Stansted.
No.
And that one still flies. Why is the Easyjet's little?
So here's another Ryanair, it's coming from Madrid, I believe. All of a sudden it's got quite busy here. We've had nothing for about half an hour and now we've had about 4 or 5 in the space of 10 minutes, which is quite nice. There's the Ryanair. You can see the reverse thrusters on the engines there. That was pretty awesome. Okay, and here we've got the China Southern 777 just on final. Like I say, it's been really busy. There's nothing for about 45 minutes, and now we've had about 4 or 5. Look at that, just gliding down. Absolutely wonderful. Listen to those bad boys firing back there. Stop pretty quick. Awesome.
Dad,
Okay, that's all for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the footage. If you have, I'd really appreciate a like. Also, if you've got any comments, leave them below. And until next time, it's bye-bye from Stansted. Cheers.